Look, this familiar silvery planet in the night sky actually hides the most violent birth record of the solar system. It appears to be a peaceful guardian of life on Earth, but recent scientific discoveries have revealed a thrilling side. Lunar rocks contain the memory of a planet-shattering cosmic collision, the ferocity of which has completely overturned human notions of planetary formation. As early as 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was a vast interstellar battlefield, with more than 20 planets violently colliding and devouring each other under the yoke of gravity, playing out a cosmic game of survival. The most famous giant impact hypothesis envisions a scenario in which a Mars-sized object named Theia slammed into the primordial Earth with devastating force. The impact was so violent that the ejected debris eventually coalesced into the Moon. This theory dominated academic circles for decades, until the Apollo spacecraft brought back water-containing lunar rocks that astounded scientists. Tests revealed that the Moon's chemical composition is almost identical to Earth's, like an identical twin. This discovery instantly shook the foundations of the giant impact hypothesis. If the Moon originated from an extraterrestrial impact, why is its DNA so similar to Earth's? Even more puzzling, volatile elements in lunar rocks show signs of extreme vaporization, suggesting an unimaginable burst of energy during its formation. These conflicting evidences have revived the question of the Moon's origin as a top mystery plaguing science. To solve this cosmic mystery, scientists have proposed three bold hypotheses, each more astonishing than science fiction. The first is the planetary nucleus theory. It proposes that radioactive elements concentrated in the early Earth's interior triggered an unprecedented underground nuclear explosion, ejecting Earth material into orbit and forming the Moon, perfectly explaining the compositional similarity. However, scholars question whether natural conditions could truly achieve such a precise and chain reaction. The second is the supercollision model. Researchers suggest that perhaps the impact was incredibly violent, completely vaporizing and mixing the two planets, which then condensed into Earth and the Moon as they cooled. However, supercomputer simulations show that this would require extremely precise impact angles and velocities, like a stroke of genius in cosmic billiards. The most revolutionary is the co-rotating star armor theory. This theory paints a wildest scenario. The impact completely vaporized Earth into a massive, swirling ball of rock and vapor, what scientists call a co-rotating star. Within this molten cloud hotter than 7,000 degrees Celsius, material condensed like a magma cloud, eventually forming the Moon. This suggests the Moon was born inside Earth, while Earth itself was still a chaotic nebula. However, the Moon's secrets extend even further. Recent evidence suggests that over 3 billion years ago, the Moon possessed an atmosphere and liquid water, and its oceans may have even received microbes from Earth via asteroid impacts. More importantly, the Moon continues to silently protect Earth. Its gravity and stable axial tilt create a stable climate that supports life. Whenever we look up at the night sky, we see not just rock reflecting sunlight, but a cosmic reflection of Earth's origins and even the very nature of life. The Moon's secret history is rewriting the textbooks on the birth of stars, a story far wilder and more magnificent than any legend.